Hey, 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 ice, drip, white, wrist, bad bitch, she thick.
What is up, guys? TK here with TK's Garage, and I am back with another video. Now, I did kind of get caught off guard. I published a video earlier and we had no audio. I apologize for that. But anyways, we're taking a look at the 2017 Lamborghini Huracan. Now, this has some undercarriage damage. It did pop up the posts, which you can see here, but it only has 3,500 miles. Now, having somebody go take a look at it hands-on, we are currently the highest bidder on the vehicle. When you see this, I either won it, maybe they've pulled the auction, maybe we lost it. We'll have to find out in the next video. But this is going to be something I'm pushing exceptionally hard at to try to get. This is something I want to push exceptionally hard at so I can try and get this rebuild project in. I think this is something that wouldn't require a ton of work with some of the undercarriage damage, and would also be able to, do something positive. I think getting back into it and starting off with something major. So anyways, this is it right here. Feel free to check it out. I think you can even see the lot number here on it. Yeah, you can see the lot number here in the listing as well if you want to go check it out for yourself. And then you can find out if I already won it. Anyways, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below. We're going to be getting back into it. If you saw over on Instagram at TK's Garage, you see our most recent win from Copart. We are back in the Beamer fam. I am ecstatic, and it's going to be a little shocking. You're not going to expect exactly what it is. You're not going to expect what it is that we ended up picking up. But I'm excited for it. I'm looking forward to making content with it. And I'm also excited if we're able to win this vehicle. Like I said, I'm willing to go probably to the mid 80s on this car, knowing how much I'm going to have to spend in parts to get it right. But we'll see. We'll see. You'll find out probably in the next video whether we cop this or not.